Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do the Partners in Cream Project Pan update. If you haven't seen my introduction video, I will go ahead and link it in the cards up above for you guys. But this is a huge Project Pan collab that a whole bunch of people are doing. I will link the playlist down below for you guys who are interested. But you pick cream liquid products that you want to work on. You can use them up, rotate them out, what have you. It's kind of free in that aspect of Project Pan rules. But I picked out 5 items that I want to try and use up during this year, and I have some good progress and update for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm doing on this project, then keep watching. So one of my first main things is kind of getting through a lot of my older products. So the oldest product in my collection is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, and this is my absolute favorite foundation. I have used so many of these up, but it's definitely a discontinued and time to try and use it up and get rid of it. I have marked kind of where I started last month, and I started this project a little bit late. So this is where I started in my intro, and then that is currently where I am now. I do have it on as my foundation today. Still absolutely love it. There's this foundation that I want to try next that I've heard a couple people recommend if you love the Urban Decay Naked Skin. So that will be next on my list to try, but I'm still working on that. Underneath that, I love to put my First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And you can see I started right here at this purple line, and then I'm about to this black line right there. So honestly, I think I probably will finish this up before the foundation, which is kind of crazy. This is 1 fluid ounce, and this is 1.7 fluid ounce. I guess I just use a little bit more of this. Who knows? Or there's just more air to this from when starting this project. But that is my current progress on this. I do have a backup guy of this, so I definitely want to try and finish this up and work on that. I don't always use this priming moisturizer with like my everyday Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream, but for other foundations, things like that, I want a little bit more moisturized, glowy skin. I like to use something like this, so I am still working on that. I have a lip product in this project pan. This is the Too Faced Birthday Suit, and it's actually the lip stick that I am wearing today and loving it. My hair is like super volumized. I use the Revlon hairstyle roller, so that's kind of why it's so baba boom up at the top. So I gotta figure that out. I feel like it's just a lot of hair today. But anyway, so this is just kind of a neutral nude kind of matte cream lipstick. It kind of gives off that creamy look. I do top it with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Jewel Pillow Talk lip gloss for a different project pan that I'm working on, but I've been wearing this pretty consistently. I still have a lot of this lipstick to go, so I'll be working on this more in this next month. Here's it scrolled down for you guys so you can see what it looks like in the tube. Still really enjoy it. It is definitely one of the older lip products in my collection. I think the oldest one is like the Shiseido red lipstick that I got from an influencer box, but I did a huge declutter. If you haven't seen that, I will link it up above. So yeah, I kind of follow guidelines strictly, but add a year for everything. So still working on that lipstick. I've really been enjoying it and topping it with the lip gloss. And then 2 things that are on my eyes. The first thing, this is the Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma, and these are, they have the expiration date right here, so not a lot. I'm also noticing it's just starting to dry up. I can't really tell how much I got in there. I would say I'm scraping the sides though when I put this in, not getting a lot of product. You can see I did tap a little bit of it onto my eyeshadows today just to kind of give a glittery look without too much glitter shimmer, because that, I mean, it's a normal Tuesday kind of thing. So that is kind of how I like to apply it lately, just lightly on top of my eyeshadow, instead of sometimes I just like whip this all over the lid. But for every day, just that little pop of glitter is all I need. So I'm still working on this. I honestly think though, by the time this next update, like I update you next, it'll probably be time to get rid of it. Either I use it up or it's just too dry. It's just kind of getting old. And then the last thing is my Stila Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. My favorite liquid eyeliner. I am wearing it on my eyes today. I've done so many comparison videos with this. It is starting to get older, so I do want to get good use out of this, and then I can start comparing it with other liquid eyeliners I have as well. So that is the plan for that. But that is everything for the Partners in Cream project pan and where I am at with all of my products. Let me know how you guys are doing on your products as well during this project pan, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise